beautiful soul. Thank you so much for joining me here at Rising One Coaching. I'm Allison, your health and wellness coach. And today we're going to talk about something that so many of us feel, but don't always know how to respond to, which is anxiety in our bodies. You all know the signs: a racing heart, a tight chest, shallow breathing, or even that restless energy that just won't let you settle. Anxiety isn't just in our heads, it also shows up in our bodies too. And the beautiful truth is that your body holds the key for finding calm. Today, I'm going to share a simple but powerful body-based practice that you can do anytime to regulate your nervous system and bring yourself back into a state of peace. So when we feel anxious, our body activates what's known as the sympathetic nervous system. And this is our fight or flight response. We've all heard that one before. This is our body's way of protecting when it senses danger. But here's the thing, most of the time, we're not actually in physical danger. We're reacting to thoughts, stress, or even subconscious patterns. And that's why you might feel a pounding heart or shaky hands, even if you're safe at home. The good news is you can intentionally activate the parasympathetic nervous system, also known as rest and digest. And this is your body's calming response. And it can be triggered through breath and grounding practices, which we're going to look at today. So here is a body practice for calming anxiety. It's the 4-7-8 breath. So we'll practice this together right now. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold gently for 7. And then exhale slowly through your mouth for 8. Wonderful. And then you're going to repeat that 3 to 5 times in a row. And as you breathe, silently say, "This breath reminds my body that I am safe." So beautiful. I use this all the time for myself, and it really does help when I'm feeling stressed or anxious. It really does help to calm me down. So the next thing is going to be grounding through touch. So I encourage you and invite you to sit with both feet planted on the floor. Press your palms firmly together and notice the sensation. Feel the weight of your body supported by the chair and the ground, and whisper, "I am here, I am safe." And this practice is used to anchor you into the moment, into the now, really bringing you into that awareness. And the next one we're going to do is a progressive relaxation. So start with your toes. Gently tense each muscle group for about 5 seconds, and then release. You're going to move slowly up your body, your calves, your thighs, your stomach, your hands, your shoulders, your jaw, and notice the wave of reaction as each area softens. This helps to release stored tension, and it reminds your body that it's okay to let go. So I'm going to have a printable sheet, a free printable sheet that's going to list all these practices on it for you so that you can refer to these whenever you need them. So anxiety isn't the body's sign of weakness. It's our body doing exactly what it was designed to do, to protect you. The power lies in knowing how to guide it back into the state of calm. So next time you feel anxiety rising up in your body, I want you to try one of these simple practices. Even just 2 or 3 minutes of conscious breathing or grounding can really shift your whole state. Remember, your body isn't against you. It's always working to keep you safe. And with compassion and practice, you can remind it that it's okay to rest. If you'd like some extra support, please leave comments below. I would love to hear from you and start up a great conversation about how you deal with anxiety. Have you tried any of these practices before? Or will you be incorporating any of these into your practice moving forward? So until next time, take a deep breath. You are safe, you are supported, and you are stronger than you know. Thank you so much for showing up here today at Rising One Coaching. I appreciate you, and I hope you have a beautiful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are. Blessings.